If you're a beatmaker with thousands of plays on Beatstars, are you actually winning? Or are you building someone else's empire? Here's the question nobody's asking. Who owns the audience watching your beats right now? Because if it's not you, you have a serious problem. Let's break this down. You've got a YouTube channel. You're getting views. You're linking everything to Beatstars. Sounds like a plan, right? Wrong. Every single person who clicks that Beatstars link, they become Beatstars customer, not yours. Beatstars collects their email. Beatstars retargets them with ads. Beatstars profits from the audience you built. You did all the work. You made the beat. You uploaded the video. You grew the channel. And Beatstars is sitting back collecting the audience you sent them. That's not a business strategy. That's a donation. Here's the science. When someone watches your YouTube video and clicks a link to your website, that's a first-party visitor. You can track them with Google Analytics. You can retarget them with ads. You can capture their email. You own that data. But when you send them to Beatstars, you get zero data, zero retargeting, zero relationship. It's like renting a stage in someone else's building and wondering why you can't control the lights. Your YouTube channel should be a pipeline. Straight to your website, your email list, your audience. That's how you build something that nobody can take from you. When you own your website, you own the conversation. Someone visits your site, you capture their email. Now you can reach them anytime. With no algorithm in the way. No Beatstars fee increase can touch you. No platform shutting down can destroy you. You control the relationship. And that audience? It compounds. Every video you drop, every beat you release, it feeds your list, your traffic, your revenue. That's real equity. That's a real business. Now here's where it gets powerful. Not just any website, an AI-powered website. One that's already built for beatmakers. Already optimized. Already set up with the tools, the packages, and the structure to convert visitors into buyers automatically. You don't need to know code. You don't need to hire a developer. It's done for you. Your brand, your beats, your audience, all under one roof. Powered by artificial intelligence. Click the link below right now. For just $50, you get an AI-powered website with everything already built in. Designed specifically for beatmakers like you. Stop building Beatstars' audience. Start building your own. The link is below. Go get it.